So,
216. Suite.
right
So size like 2 rooms.
here
Like
we have the living room.
like 80 square meter.
This is almost 8 square meter.
So this already you have.
Yeah. And we go for the other part.
The bed is good.
But it's shower and bath tube with hydro massage.
Suite for high season, what is published rate?
Normally that type of room it's around 600 700 euros.
And cheap room for high season, how much?
300.
So it's just like 2 rooms.
Yeah.
So you have ritual.
It was new brand from this year, since this year.
But ritual is good.
It's very good. I mean, it's international brand, sustainability bio brand. Ah, ok, io la chiamo, Grazie.